Tail jig?
Well, I like to try all different mediums. I do paint and pencil crayon and markers, oil pastel, polymer clay, and I also started doing art on clothes. So these pants I did are upcycled. I got them for free at the Wish factory and then I just upcycled them. So I like to try all different mediums and try pretty much everything that I can.
My name is Amelia Rose. This is my partner in crime, Michael Stockstill, who's going to help me out here. And
The Midge Fest.
And I think the first song is the Cook Shack Session Challenge song. And I have written a song. It doesn't really have your name, but a name probably is going to be called Don't Burn Your Chicken in the Cook Shack, I think. So this is inspired. This is Patty, you're the inspiration. Patty O from this in this song. If anyone was at Nunatak last year, in the middle of our show, Patty came in with some chicken. And I think maybe got too into the music and maybe kind of forgot about the chicken maybe for a moment, but all of a sudden there's a lot of chicken smoke everywhere, and so that's the inspiration behind the song. Anyway, so thank you, Patty, and this is called Don't Burn Your Chicken in the Cook Shack. Ready?
Yeah.
to choke on our chicken smoke tonight. We don't want to choke on our chicken smoke. No, we don't want to choke on our chicken smoke. Don't burn our chicken in the cook shack tonight. Thank you.
Okay, I'm Cai Krikorian, and this is
Owen.
And for our Cook Shack challenge, we learned Keitha Clark's Raven's Reel, and it's also on her album The Watershed, and it's just a stunning piece. You should listen to her version after.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm BJ MacLean. And my challenge tune is written by Rose Kirshner, who longtime Yukoner. She has since moved down to BC. She recorded this for our 4th YWIM CD, Songrise. And none of us got to hear what the album was going to sound like till the dress rehearsal. And so I heard her playing this at the dress rehearsal at the Arts Center, and I fell in love with it. It's got such a beautiful message, and I believe she wrote it for her teenage son at the time, who was going through some hard times. And it's called Fireweed. Do we have a bug swatter at the ready? Somebody? Because we might need it. Take a look, take a long, steady look. Do you like what you see? I'm no garden variety. I know I'm a slash and burn, overgrown with fireweed. Not as pretty as that girl in the magazine. What about it anyway? Now I'm not the type to be silent, only seen, so listen up. Got something to say. 'Cause this is your life, this is my word. Forget everything you've ever heard. Be true to yourself, walk your crooked line. More than a face lost in a crowd, you've got a choice to live out loud. Be true to yourself, be one of a kind. Take a look, take a long, steady look. Do you think you see right through? I can see your finger pointing right at me, but the other three pointing back at you. Well, I might be a little rough around the edge, like a lesser traveled road. Now I'm no stranger to that solitary pledge, but what's the point of going it alone? 'Cause this is your life, this is my word. Get everything you've ever heard. Be true to yourself, walk your crooked line. You're more than a face, lost in the crowd. You've got a choice to live out loud. You're somebody's friend, you're one of a kind. Well, this is your life, this is my word. Forget everything you've ever heard. Be true to yourself, live out your desire. Be more than a face, lost in a crowd. You've got a choice, so live out loud. Be somebody's friend, be one of a kind. Take a look, take a long, steady look. Do you like what you see? I'm no garden variety, I know. I'm massaged and burned, overgrown with fireweed. Overgrown with fireweed. Thank you to my assistant, Sedgwick. Thank you to Rose Kirshner for writing such a lovely tune.
Here's a little song I wrote called Sweet Revenge. In case you know the game called The Sorry, the game of Sweet Revenge. We couldn't think of a title, and Mike said, how about Sweet Revenge? So here you go. Just gotta get this midgie from out of my hat. All right.
What are you saying?
What's going on? Oh my gosh, it's BJ over there.
This is a song that I wrote called Doritos at the Top because during COVID we were doing a lot of hikes and we usually brought along a bag of Doritos to have at the top of the mountain. So, and it's also followed by Swallowtail Jig, which we're calling Mosquitoes at the Bottom.
Have a Dorito with us because we made it to the top.
One, two, three, four.
So this next tune is one I wrote when my brother passed away a couple of years ago. He had retired to Montana. An avid fly fisherman, he bought himself a chunk of land to build a cabin on in the Bitterroot Mountains so he could fly fish the Bitterroot River in his retirement. So the first pit is called Dark Cabin, and it's got a little instrumental which I will shorten after it, called Trout on the Bitterroot. I think I still have Doritos in my... Here we go. Cabin sits dark on the mountain tonight in the pines, the fire in the stove, no candlelight in the pines. The night is on fire and the thunder roars, the rose gold and sword, raven sits quoting nevermore in the pines, in the pines. It's a mournful wind that blows here tonight in the pines. There's a banshee's wail threatening skies in the pines. Night is on fire and the thunder roars like the devil himself has opened his door. Raven sits quoting nevermore in the pines, in the pines. himself has opened his door. Raven sits quoting nevermore. In the pines, in the pines, in the pines, in the pines. Little happy note at the end means he finally got his big fish out of the Bitterroot. Thank you, Sedgwick.
This is a Romanian song called the Outlaw. Outlawry song. Outlaw song. Outlaw.
Okay, so this song doesn't have a name yet, but I wrote this starting in March, and I think BJ said I should do one of the cook shacks on video, but I don't like video. and this was
phone for the
I know.
recording it.
But anyways, we had to do 14 days of self-isolation in March, and it was dark, and it really sucked, but COVID sucks. Anyways.
Song tonight, it's a song I wrote when we lost Richard Godson, but thought that for COVID times, we're now at least in phase 3 compared to, and can have a little bit of an audience versus phase 1 where we had 5 dogs as our audience, and it's called Gathering of Friends. We are born into this life, just a babe in someone's eyes. We are naked, we are trusting. They will keep us safe and warm. Find our feet, find our own way. Find a path to call our own. When the freedom gets too lonely, find a friend to guide us home. Certain high and certain low, north to south and east to west, seeking out that greener pasture of a life that suits us best. Search the whole world over for that gold at rainbow's end. For some the treasures sit beside us in a gathering of friends. Summer's wine still on our lips, and autumn colors paint the fall. Springtime brilliance lingers in our dreams, when winter spirits come to call. Dust to dust, ash to ash, each beginning has an end. There's a mystery in the middle, don't know what's around the bend. Don't know where I'm going when I reach this journey's end. I hope there's love and song and laughter, and a gathering of friends. Don't know where I'm going when I reach this journey's end. I hope there's love and song and laughter, and a gathering of friends. Hope there's love and song and laughter, and a gathering of friends. Thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Swallowtail jig? Yeah.